This is BTC. BTC, as I normally do, I come to my monthly time frame. I look what the market is doing on the monthly time frame. You could see a high, you could see a low, you could see a high, you could see a low, and you could see a higher high, and you could potentially see a higher, an equal low. This equal low is actually touching the third touch of the trend line. That is what I can see on BTC as of the moment. So if you look at it properly, you see that price is kind of stalling around this area as of the moment. It's trying to form, I think the market is trying to form a base, but if you check this structural region around here, price has broken the structure, has disrespected this structure on the weekly time frame. So what I could see, what I could potentially assume around this area is that price is trying to form a base around this area. So I come back to my weekly time frame. This weekly time frame is already stalling around this region as of the moment. It's kind of stalling around this region. So my view presently is that I don't like the way the market dropped around this region. I'm expecting for the market to come here for a retest around this neckline region. Kind of a neckline is kind of a strong level around this region. So that was what I was expecting. But presently, I'm not sure what I could see around this area because I am thinking that price wants to respect the third touch of the trend line for a continuation to the upside, for a bounce around this area. That's what I could see around as of the moment, because if this price wants to continue going down, it's supposed to test around the 100K region, then a drop. But in this kind of situation, I'm expecting, if you come back to your daily time frame, I'm expecting to see what price is doing as of the moment. Price is currently looking like an X to E wave pattern around this area. I'm looking that the price is going to break this trend line region around this area for a double bottom. So if I'm going to place my trade, I'm going to place my trade like I'm going to take a short position at the break of this counter trend line region around this area. The price is actually looking heavy as of the moment. If I break for if it breaks this trend line region around this area, then I'm going to take my my first level target. I'm going to take around this area, which is the 100% of this move, because from what I could see, I'm not sure the price will continue going down. I'm looking like the price is going to form a base to shoot up to the upside. So that is why if I'm going to place a trade on a sell trade on BTC as of the moment, I'm going to take my first level target is going to be at the 100% retracement. So my entrance level is going to be at the break of this candle. If you look properly as well, you're going to see the counter trend line from the monthly time frame. That's why you also need to be very careful, because any area around this region can easily reverse the market. So I'm looking, if I'm going to place a trade, I'm going to place a trade here. Then I'm going to take my profit around this area. However, this is a monthly counter trend line, so you have to be very careful around this region. You're going to watch out what price is going to do around this area. So I'm looking for a sell BTC short to the downside to the 100% retracement. After the 100% retracement, it could reverse. This market can easily reverse. So that at the 100% retracement, I'm going to be taking 50% of my position out, then move my stop loss to break even, then allow the market to do what it wants to do. But from what I could see, it's looking like a reversal. It's looking like it wants to form a base around this area, then push to the upside. So that's my analysis for BTC as of this week. So